Just remember, anytime you buy anything from Copart, there's always hidden damage. Dude, I see it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we got a brand new build. We're super excited. We just can't stand it. And we are lucky that we're gonna get to go pick this one up. So we're gonna hop in the truck. We're gonna head over through the beautiful state of Tennessee, over to Knoxville. We're gonna pick up our brand new build. We're gonna take you with us on the journey. We're super excited. We just can't wait. We'll catch up with you at the auction yard. Alrighty guys, check it out. Check it out. We just stepped 100% out of our comfort zone. We didn't buy a Toyota. We didn't buy a Jeep. We didn't buy a Tacoma. We didn't buy a Tundra. We bought a Ranger boat. It's a RT188. We needed something to have some fun, to rebuild on the channel. What better way to step outside your comfort zone and buy a boat? We're here at the Copart lot. We're going to just kind of check it over. We're going to try to get everything hooked up, get it hooked to the truck, get it loaded up, and get up the road. But we'll show you a couple of videos of this thing and how it's going. So let's get it hooked up. Let's check out what we got, because we don't even really know. We didn't check it out before we bought it, so hopefully we got a good one. Let's hook it to the Tundra and let's head back home. Alrighty guys, we got her all hooked up. Looks like we may have our work cut out for us. These things don't find themselves at Copart for no reason. There's always hidden damage on these things, but we're super excited to get it. We can't wait to get it all checked out. So we're going to jump back in the truck. We're going to head down the road, maybe get us a biscuit or something. We'll catch you guys back at the house. Alrighty guys, we did make it back from Copart with this brand new 2014 Ranger RT188 with 115 horsepower Mercury Pro XS. We got it back home. We checked it out a little bit, but we didn't want to leave y'all out. We want you to be involved in what we got. We are 100% out of our comfort zone, have no earthly idea what we're doing. I take that back. We know exactly what we're doing. We bought us a boat. We're going to fix it. We're going to take it out on the water. We want to take y'all with us. So what we're going to do, since we got it here and we brought it home, we're going to go around and look at it, you know, see what it's got, talk about some of that stuff. We're going to pull it out here. We're going to get the green machine. We're going to get it a nice wash. We're going to get everything all buttoned up. We're going to show y'all the hidden damage at why we needed to rescue this thing from Copart, because if it's there, you can bet there is hidden damage. So let's check this out.
All right, guys, so the first thing that we noticed about this boat from the pictures, it has no trolling motor. These things, I think, when we looked it up, it comes standard with a 45-pound, 45-inch trolling motor. They've took this one off probably to try to get a little extra money, so we're gonna have to get one of those before we can take it out. Looks like the carpet's in pretty good shape. It does not come with a fish finder up here. Looks like they've had maybe two, because this is a plate they've screwed in. This is another mount that they've screwed in for another fish finder, so they probably had two fish finders right here. So the next thing that was jacked, you see these ugly looking wheels. These boats come standard with nice, looks like milled alloy wheels. They've took those off and gave us some complete jokes of wheels. It's just value wheels, the tires bald and everything else. So we'll be trying to upgrade that to really make this boat pop when it's going down the road. So we did look up. If you look in here, it did come with all 3 batteries and a gas tank. So we looked up there, none of that stuff has been taken out. So we threw our charger on there. Everything seems to be charging and working pretty well. So we're gonna go through the storage containers here and see what we got. This looks like a cooler slash storage, nothing in there. Right here looks like our live well. That's a big live well, got a plug in there. Looks like we got another cooler slash storage, nothing in there. Right here we got a bunch of nothing in there. What's in there? Nothing. All right, let's check the rod locker out. I doubt there'll be anything in there. Nothing in there, but it is nice. Nothing in there but another big storage compartment, maybe for some tackle. Oh, look right here.
Hey, check it out.
Looks like we got us a boat cover.
Drag this sucker out.
How nice is that? That saves us a little money.
This sucker is equipped with the 115 horsepower Mercury XS Optimax. This motor is bigger than I am. It's absolutely a beast. We are going to have to troubleshoot some of the systems on it. It's like it's not getting any power back here. That's why we're charging up the batteries, trying to see what's going on. This sucker was at the Copart, so like I say, our engine here, hopefully it's going to be fine. It turned over okay. We should have it running here in just a day or two. It's not really our primary focus today, because today we just want to see what we've got. We want to get it cleaned up just to the point so we can get started working on it. But like we said, there is always hidden damage. Before I show it to you, how about we just do like a little walk around of the boat, and then we'll get to wash it. Just remember, anytime you buy anything from Copart, there's always hidden damage. There always is. At least it's been our experience, everything that we buy. Do you know what? We bought the absolute cheapest Ranger RT188 that we could find. We knew it was going to have some problems. It's got a couple of issues. We took the trolling motor, recessed foot pedal container out so we can access this stuff. We got a beautiful bird's eye view. We're not going to set it on fire. Not going to make a 100% promise, but we'll be ready if we do. We'll get it put out. Not a big deal. The foam is way far away from where we're going to weld. We're going to get it all fixed up. We got our work cut out for us, but I think in the next video, we can maybe get this engine started. We can start trying to find some of the things that we need, like a brand new trolling motor. We want some tires and wheels. We got to get some seats, maybe a new fish finder. We got a lot of stuff. We're going to have this boat looking as close to a brand new boat as we can absolutely get it. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. If you like this content and you like this video, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.